Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 124. So here it is. Let's read the story. Pak the Song and Ren Sing, the two of them are talking. Rice Ball, lie down. Ren Sing was playing with Rice Ball and said to her, "Good dog." Well, finally, she already came back, coming from a fruit. Song said to her, "It was almost there. Pick up, you can help me and see it." Well, it turns out she was busy on something. Rensing was looking at hers. "I'm still chasing my wife, and you're sweet again. And now you don't care if I'm scattering like a dog food." Now Song's laughing. The life of the sister is also life. Oops, I'm thinking of you about the big things in life, and isn't the progress of your chasing your wife is very smooth? Are you planning to propose? Rensing is asking Song. Well, now, definitely, she's going to. She was holding a ring. It said that the Fei House father is immersed in a general character and can extricate himself, and he doesn't agree with the two of you. Well, Song said to her, "I will propose to Ahao. What's the matter with her father?" Well, definitely, she has a right point. Now, she was holding the two ring. So it turns out she is really ready about this. As for me, I just hope that Ayu and I are both happy and the other talents are not within consideration. Well, for Song, the happiness of the two of them are really important. She doesn't care about anyone. Don't just say it, it's look good yet. Good looking and very beautiful. Rensing said to Song. Now Song, she is taking pictures of the ring. As far as love reign of Miss Fei in your family, she will immediately agree to your marriage proposal with the dog's tails waving a ring. Rensing, she was teasing Song at this moment. Well, for now, boss, please count the money. So everything is went well, and it seems that she's getting ready. This is the things that she's been waiting for to propose to Ahao for a time being. Well, Rice Ball will come home with me tonight. We are single dogs and we will not disturb the two worlds of the reconciled. Now, Rensing, she become tricky. Well, definitely, she's going to bring Rice Ball. Come back to Song. Right now, she already arrived at the house of Feiyu and said, "Baby, I'm back." But suddenly, Pei Hao is not at home. Look at the house, it seems to be deserted. But she noted to herself that Pei Yu was always there. Since she don't have to work anymore, and she's only staying at home. Well, where did Pei Yu go right now? Song. What about the people? Turns out, from her back, Pei Yu is going to put a blindfold on her eyes. Well, definitely, she has a surprise for her. That's why she don't want to see it. Fei said to her, "Don't move." Oh, I sensed something wrong. Maybe Feiyu. She's going to propose also, right? It seems to be romantic and also surely want to surprise her. Now, looking at Song, "I'll give you all the valuables. How about me? My wife is still waiting for me at home." Song said to her, "Well, definitely, Feiyu. She is really enjoying this. Home, isn't this your home? You're all like this and your wife has never come out. If you're rough by your wife, how can you be done?" Feiyu said to her. Now, she really teased her so much. Song said to her, "They say I keep in by you the money." Well, definitely, she's going to give her the money because Peiyu is not working anymore. Well, but a little bit tricky. I want money. I want to call her too. Now, it really makes sense. Song, right now, seems to be uncomfortable. Peiyu is tying her from the back. She's been blindfolded also. Peiyu, stop. I should have known that not to recommend those silly novels to you. How come you learn so quickly? So it turns out she was stating that Peiyu right now, she's like a pro. Peiyu suddenly kissed her gently. "I don't want to play with you," Peiyu said to Song. Now she kissed her gently, but Song, she's really blushing. "Come back to Feiyu. If I say I'm going to do something to you, then I'm going to do it with you." Bayu, she really won't stop. Until now, she continued to tease her. And Song, right now. Suddenly, she looked back on her and she kissed her gently. Well, definitely, she is also getting tricky. Two of them are getting sweet with each other, especially Song. But right now, since she's been folded, why not kiss? Ah, Song. She looks really uncomfortable. Let's see on what will happen next. Because Peiyu continued to tease her. Where have you been these days? Going out early and coming back late. I clearly took a day off today, but you still lied to me that I have to go to work. Well, definitely, she is really getting busy. How do you know I took a day off today? Sick leave that you requested was worried that you might be sick and don't want to disturb. So, they sent me a message. Okay, dispose. My hand, it really hurts so much. So please, change it. So it turns out it's been caught because one of the colleagues has messaged Feiyu, so Feiyu knows about this. Song said, I have a little secret, but it's definitely a good thing. Now, Song told her, I'll tell you in 2 days, okay? So it turns out after 2 days, Song is going to propose on her. Peiyu seems to be getting imbalanced. Right now, she's going to fall down on the couch. Well, Song, she's going to fall with hers. Looking at them, they really look awkward. But Feiyu, she was looking at Song. Probably, she really can't restrain herself that to ask her a question why after 2 days, Song is going to tell her. Till now, she is really getting impatient. Song, don't say anything bad. She's trying to cover half her mouth. Probably she knows that Peiyu is getting impatient. Now, Peiyu said to her, You're so domineering. Obviously, I am a rougher. Of course, right now, she is really domineering her. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Song said, No matter what, you have to listen to me. Peiyu, okay, then I'll pretend I don't know. Well, these two, they're really getting silly to each other, especially right now. However, these days, you're ignoring me and I'll charge you for some interest, so it really makes sense back then. Well, let's see if Song is going to continue to tease her. No matter how much you beg for mercy tonight, I will not show any mercy. Peiyu said to Song. Well, definitely, it was really a long night for the two of them, and let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!